Good day guys, welcome to Mobile Creative Digital Marketing Agency. I hope guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to design a simple event flyer without wasting much of our time and how to use shadow on it. So without wasting much of our time, let's go down into the business of today. So what we're going to do right now is to change the background color to this color to be a gradient color. So how do we do this? Just click on the plus button and then you change it to this, actually this, yeah, this. Then you click on this place, you're saying yeah, this place. So just click on it and then you click on this second one. No, click on this first, then you click on this second one. So let's go. So now I'm going to give it a color from here. So let's choose this color from here. So I think this is the color I'm going to give to it. So I'm going to give it 541A00 541A00. So that is the color code for this. So after that, you click on the second one where you are seeing this pink. Then you click on this place back. Then you give it actually black. Good. So let's go. So can you see right now? Then you actually move it up a little bit like this. Drag this. Just drag it up a little bit like this. Good. So can you see right now? It's actually okay with this. So it's actually fine. Can you see right now? So after that, what are you going to do right now is to click on your plus button, then click on text, then you actually write only O. Then after that, after you write your O, you go to your shadow, give it black shadow. It's already in black, then increase the blur to 50. So after that, just increase it. Go to your size to increase the this thing. Just increase it like this. Then you go to your font. So I know the font I use, but I want to test another one if it's going to be okay with it. So I'm coming. Let me check paper Saloon for it. No, it's not okay for it. So let me use the custom size, the custom font that I use for it. So sorry. So I use what they call it. I use popping board. I use popping board for it. So what I'm going to do right now, just decrease a little bit. Then after that, just duplicate it. Then you write your O. So your N. I'm going to write 1 hour 1. So write your N. So you bring it down here. Then you place it on top of this place a little bit. So can you see that the shadow is reflecting? Good. So after that, duplicate it. Then you write your E. So I think you're writing E next. So after that, just write your E. Then you place it almost on top of the N. So let's go. So can you see how we are moving and it's looking so beautiful. So after that, what I'm going to do right now is write your break out the shape, then change the shape to red color. So just make sure it is well aligned with this, and let's go. So I'm going to be working on this a very small time. So after you're done, just click your mark button, then you move it under them. Just click on your layer. This is the layer that I click on. So this layer, I click on it. So after that, just click on the layer, then press it. So then move it to the back. So can you see it right now? So that's moved to the back. So you can actually lock all this one, lock all this, so that it won't affect what you are doing. So after you lock them, so just move it to the back a little bit. Then it is not way. So no. So I'll come. Let me increase it a little bit. Knows you're doing well, so well, yeah. Not a worry in the world, you ain't scared of nothing. You a boss kind of girl, you got all you wanted. Earned yourself a quick break in the morning. Is it okay like this? No, it's not okay like this. So let me use my position key to move it. Yeah. So I think it's okay like this. It's very balanced like this. So after that, what I'm going to do is to bring out the text, then you write hour. No, you are using 1 hour, 1 hour with. So after that, just put it like this. Then you go to your font, then you give it font. So you are using Poppins family. So just go to your Poppins. So I think I use Poppins medium for it. Good. Then you place it there. So after you place it there, I want it to be aligned with the E. So what are you going to do right now? Click on the text, then you go to your to your spacing. So you click on the spacing and you create the spacing a little bit. So after that, can you see that it is well done with this? After that, what I'm going to do right now is to click on this one of the letter E. So just duplicate it. But now you should not duplicate it. I'm following my teaching. Then you write 1 hour with done. So you write your D first. You know we are still using the what they call it, the shadow on it. So you're going to enlarge it a little bit, increase it a little bit. I'm not going to use the same size. Good. So can you see it right now? So after that, you change the color, go to your color, then you scroll it, scroll it, scroll it, scroll it. Then you actually see this one, this color. Good. So can you see it? So good. After you're done, just duplicate the D, then you write your O. Good. Then you place it here. Perfect. Can you see it right now? So after that, you duplicate it again, then you write your N. Then you do it here again. So can you see that it's making sense right now? So because what we're writing is not much, so it's making sense right now. So what are we going to do right now again is just to bring out the image that I used, that is the done image. So I use camera to remove it. So just put it here. I'll use something like this. So can you see right now? So the next thing I'm going to do right now is just to lock everything, lock everything. Good. So after you lock everything, the next thing I'm going to do right now is just write Saturday, every Saturday. You click on this layer again. Just okay, click on layer, click on plus button, write your text. Every Saturday, just write every sorry. Every Saturday. So just put S at the back. Then you give it this color in capital letter. You capitalize it. Then you go to your font. Then you give it semi-bold, the one you give to that width. Then you place it under here. You reduce it a little bit. Then you place it here. So you can see we are actually going with it. So now what are you going to do right now is to copy this every Saturday. Copy it. Then you write anything you want to give to it. You can write 10 a.m. Then you write cat. So you give it capital letter. Then you place it under here. So let it be good. So can you see right now? So after that, the next thing I'm going to do right now is just copy this 10 a.m. Then you write featuring. Just write it like this. Can you see it? Only F is a capital letter. Then bring it down here. Then what I'm going to write now is just write change the color to this one we are using. Actually the dome we are using, the color of the dome we are using. So this is the color. Change it to this. Then go to your font. Then change the font to autograph. So I'm going to autograph. So just change it to autograph. Can you see right now? So can you see, just enlarge it a little bit. Then you place it here. So that is the only thing. So after that, just duplicate this every Saturday. Duplicate it. Then you write talk show. Give it gap. Give it this. Teaching. So anything you want to write, just write it there. Teaching. You give it this. Then you give it what can I write? Talk show. Teaching. Praise and worship. Praise and worship. Then you give it this. Then you write. What can I write again? No, what can I write? Then you just write anything. Maybe coaching. So let me use coaching to actually do this one. So that's anything you want to write sharp. So just write it. Then I write dating advice. Good. So after you have done with that, just click OK. Then you actually decrease it, then you place it here. So after you place it now, I don't want it to be like this. So what are we going to do right now? Just go to your align. This align you are seeing here, just click on it. Then you click on the middle. This middle you are seeing. So can you see that it has changed? Good. So that is actually what I want. So can you see everything is changed? Then you go to your relative position, then you change it to the middle. Okay, oh, it can be balanced in the middle. So what are you going to do now? Just adjust it yourself to balance with what you have done before. So can you see this balance now? So this is how I got the 1 hour we done every Saturdays 10 a.m. card featuring this blah blah blah. So what is the next I'm going to do right now? Just go to your click here, click this side, then change it to you save as project, then you save as image, you save as very png, and you save as very high or ultra. So I'm using very high, then click save to gallery and automatically it will save to gallery. So guys, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscription button, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get more video like this, and don't forget to actually like and comment on this video. Thank you for watching up to now. Thank you.